Stop telling yourself you're ugly. Even top models once looked average. They just discovered 7 simple habits that transformed their face. Follow these steps, and in just a few months, you'll notice a sharper jawline and defined cheekbones. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Get lean and lose face fat. Extra fat puffs up your face and hides your jawline. The solution? Get lean. Aim for about 10–12% body fat by eating slightly less than you burn and adding some weight training and cardio. You don't need to get shredded, just noticeably leaner. Cut out junk food and especially sugar. Sugar not only adds fat, but also wrecks your skin. As you slim down, your cheekbones and jawline will finally start to show through. Step 2. Level up your smile. Your smile makes a huge difference. Brush your teeth thoroughly twice a day. An electric toothbrush helps. And floss daily. Use whitening strips or a whitening toothpaste a few times a week to keep your teeth bright. A clean white smile instantly makes you more attractive and confident. It shows you take care of yourself. Don't underestimate fresh breath either. It's just as important for that great first impression. Step 3. Stick to a simple skincare routine. You don't need 10 products, just a few basics. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Follow it with a moisturizer to keep your skin soft and hydrated. And never skip sunscreen. Yes, even indoors. UV light through windows can slowly damage your skin over time. This simple routine keeps your skin looking clear and healthy, which makes your whole face look fresher. Step 4. Master your grooming. Small grooming tweaks can make a big difference. Trim any stray hairs on your eyebrows to give them a neat, clean shape. Next, style your facial hair wisely. Keep your beard or stubble well trimmed to emphasize your jawline, or go clean-shaven if that suits you. And don't forget your haircut. Hair is literally makeup for men. The right style frames your face perfectly. Talk to a good barber and find a cut that highlights your best features. Step 5. Sleep smart to avoid puffiness. How you sleep affects how you look in the morning. Sleeping face down traps fluid under your eyes and cheeks, making you puffy when you wake up. Instead, sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated on a pillow. This allows fluid to drain away from your face. Over time, those mornings will look a lot sharper and you'll wake up with a tighter, less swollen face. Step 6. Practice confident facial expressions. A confident face is an attractive face. Spend a few minutes each day in front of a mirror, practicing your expressions. Find your best natural smile. Think of something that genuinely makes you happy so your whole face lights up. And also try a relaxed, confident look. Take selfies or mirror photos from different angles to see what suits you. Being in control of your facial expressions makes you appear more confident and approachable. Step 7. Fix your posture and jaw. Good posture instantly improves your look. Stand tall with your chin up and shoulders back. This makes your jawline pop and sends a confident vibe. When you slouch or bend your neck down, your face looks shorter and your jaw disappears. You can also try the mewing technique. Press the roof of your mouth with your tongue. It feels strange at first, but over time it can subtly encourage a stronger jawline. Chewing tough, sugar-free gum is another simple way to exercise and strengthen your jaw muscles. Follow these daily habits consistently, and you can transform your face without any surgery or filters. It all comes down to consistency. Get lean, brighten your smile, keep your skin healthy, groom well, sleep right, control your expressions, and stand tall. Stick with it for a few months, and you'll hardly recognize the new, confident face looking back at you in the mirror. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. Check the description for bonus links and resources.
Wait, don't skip this. This is my first photo when I was in class 4. And this is my second photo from class 6. I have completely transformed my face, and I will show you the proof of everything I've experienced. If you want to see my current face, then get this video to 50 subscribers. And when we complete 50 subscribers, I will reveal my current face. This is just the beginning.